All right, what's going on, folks? Long time no talk. So, there have been some changes with Roku where they've added a section where you're supposed to be able to find subscriptions. So, you scroll down here. Here we go. This is from their latest update. And we see subscriptions. So, let me go over and take a look, see what we have here. So, this is popular. It's letting me know what's popular with some of the apps that I have installed on the Roku. So, okay. Well, that's cool. And this is a continue watching. So the way this is supposed to work is supposed to essentially kind of keep up with the shows that you watch across your apps. Regardless of where you're streaming things, this kind of aggregates it all together where you're supposed to be able to keep up with it. So this is, from HBO Max. This is from Peacock. Something else from Peacock. Hulu. So across a bunch of platforms, it's supposed to be able to help you pick up where you've left off as far as watching things. Now, I don't think that it works for apps like Tubi or Pluto. That's something I've yet to see. Maybe I'll test it out before this ends. But, okay, so this newly added to subscriptions, this is supposed to let you know when there's a new episode of a show that you watch. So maybe a show was out of season, and this gives you an opportunity to jump back in. So this is something that I haven't watched yet. And I don't watch Fear Factor, so I'm not sure why that's in there. So it's going to take some figuring out. My wife primarily watches this television, so maybe this is something she may have started. I'm not sure. But of course, you have your save list of shows you may have saved back in the past. That still shows here. And then it breaks down some of your subscriptions to some of the streaming services that you have. So, but let me test out Pluto really quick to see if it keeps up with what's left off there. Because I'm guessing since Pluto TV and Tubi are live, so to speak, like live TV is not DVR content. Well, then again, there is some on-demand stuff. So let me go into something on-demand for Pluto to see if I have an opportunity to continue at another time. So I'll go on demand and I'll just pick whatever. So my wife likes All in the Family. We'll pick All in the Family. So I'll resume episode 18 from season 2. All right, so this starts, and then I'll go back to the main screen. I will go to my subscriptions, which I hate that is way down here at the bottom. I feel like it should be at top. And no, All in the Family is not there. So maybe this only works for your paid streaming services, and that's cool. I mean, it's better than nothing. So this is something that's been added, and hopefully they can tweak it a little better and make it a little more user-friendly, I guess. I just don't like, I think it's cool that the continue watching is right here on your first page when you get into subscriptions, but I'd rather my continue watching be first. I hate having suggestions be the first thing I have to get to, but being that it's all on the same page, I guess it's not that big of a deal. So this is better than nothing. We'll see if Roku tweaks it and do a little more, but they've done a lot lately. They've gotten so much better as a streaming service, and a streaming stick, I should say. And hopefully this is something that they can build on, and they can continue to outpace some of the others. So kudos to Roku.